This is question 2 on the practice paper, calculator paper, paper 2. Okay, the question says, this is part of a ruler. Write down the length. So again, they've said write down, so you just need to write it down. The length marked by the arrow on this question. So there's the arrow. It's pointing at that point over there. So if we just look at this, right, from 17 to 18, how many spaces are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spaces. So each of those tiny spaces is going to stand for 0.1. That means that's 17.1, 17.2, 17.3, and so on all the way up to the end. Now if I do that, so that's 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. So that there is going to be 17.8. If we look at part B, it says this is a thermometer. Write down the temperature shown on the thermometer. Well, I think this is pretty straightforward because you're just going to look at the thermometer. That's where it goes up to, and that's going to be -2. Okay, if we look, I'm going to move the paper up a bit so we can look at part C and have that a bit more clearer. Okay, looking at part C, it says, this is a parcel on some scales. Write down, again, write it down, the weight of the parcel. So because it says write down, there's no workings that you need to do. We just need to look at that, read the scale, and decide what the weight of the parcel is. Now, if that there is 2, yeah, and so you can see that's 0, 1, 2, 3, and then it goes, as it goes up there, it's 3 and a bit all the way back to, it says 0 at the top. So if we count the spaces from 2 to 3, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way up to 3. So just like the previous question, each of those little sections are going to be worth 0.1. So let's count it all the way up to where the arrow is pointing. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. So that there is going to be 2.8, and that's what I'm going to write down. Okay, you need to be really careful. This is one of the most trickiest questions on the paper. It's only question 2, but reading scales like this is pretty easy to get the marks, but it's sometimes easy to lose the marks by miscounting or not being accurate. So take your time, be accurate, and make sure you get the marks.